Ready to supercharge your Retell AI project by sending data straight to a Google Sheet for easy storage and analysis. First, head over to your Retell AI project and identify the information you want to capture. This could be a customer's name, email, or any other relevant detail you're asking. Think of it as setting your data targets. Within your Retell AI flow, use a node or component that allows you to prompt capture and store the user's input. You will need to link the prompt to a question, so make sure your prompt is clear and allows the user to effectively input the data. Next, you'll need to store that input in a variable in the Retell AI interface. Give this variable a descriptive name so when you move the data, it is easy to follow and understand. This will hold the data temporarily. We'll need it later when we send to Google Sheets. Now, setting up your Google Sheet is crucial. Create a new sheet and define column headers, for example, name, email, or whatever data points you're collecting from your Retell AI interaction. Make sure these labels are simple and easy to remember. Time to connect the dots. Use an integration tool like Zapier or Makem. Select Retell AI as your trigger app and Google Sheets as your action app. You'll authorize your accounts. In your integration setup, establish the trigger. What action in Retell AI should initiate the data transfer? Select your designated variable as the data point to send. Then, map data from your Retell AI variable to corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. Test your integration, and ideally the data should appear in your Google Sheet. You should find it successfully populated with the data you've captured. And there you have it. Your data will now automatically be collected in your Google Sheet, neatly organized and ready for analysis. Now you're ready for your next collection.